Alright, so you got one of these Ryobi or Ryobi if you say it that way, um, backpack blowers, and it comes with this plastic piece. I don't know why, they hire $1 million worth of teams to design stuff, and they would put this breathing tube or blower tube, if that's what you call it, on there as a plastic piece. It doesn't make any sense, but it is what it is. You take that. When I took it off, it kind of locks in there, so I just took a razor and cut it off, make it a little bit easier. Throw that in the trash. Then I went on Amazon and I bought this one. As you can see, this one is rubber. That's built to last right there. I don't know why I gotta go on Amazon to get one. This one is slightly shorter, maybe like that much, but not very much. And it came with a pair of safety glasses. Yay for that. So it's just 4 screws. You got to remember these pieces right here are what's holding this on there. They clamp over the top of it, like right over the top of it like that. So you got to put those back on, but very simple. You just slide it back on there. It is different sizes. So the bottom, this piece here is wider at the bottom, so you want that piece closest to the blower. This piece is smaller. You want that closest to the nozzle, to the trigger. I don't think, yeah. And it's got a slit at the top, so you know which one is the top and which one is the bottom. Very good. Just push it on there. Push it. And I can imagine when I ever do get to this thing on there, it will increase the blowing power of this machine too as well, because it had that plastic piece on there and it was longer. So, trying to get it on there. It's tight now for sure. Got something for it. I moved it. Keep maneuvering there. Perhaps maybe I should have put a little bit of WD-40 on there, but I didn't. So I'm gonna keep on. The top is good. It's just the bottom. It needs to slide up just a little bit more. Get this clamp out of the way though. Moving. Slide this back this way some. And the reason I'm doing this is because if you take that back one off, good luck putting it back on. And you'll know what I mean when you go to take it off. And yeah, I know it's taking me a little minute, but I don't want to break the clamp, that's all. And I advise you be careful as well. This little piece here, see how I had to work it back? Now I might be able to maneuver this a little bit using the clamp itself. I think that's a plan. Y'all are seeing it. And it's working. It's almost seated on there. Now, of course, you don't have to be perfect because the clamps are going to clamp it in, but it's just my obsessive compulsiveness. There it is. And I know you saw it pop on there. Yeah, we are good there. Now, I need to take this screw, put it back in here. The crazy part about it is, in case you're wondering, there's no gas in it. So, I need to take this screw and be able to line it up here and tighten this back down. But it's okay for now. I'll go ahead and put this back in here as well. As you can see, it's that little part sticking out there. And when you do it, don't be like me, but try to put it back where there's no dirt in the inside of it. And as you can tell, I didn't learn my lesson. Putting something wrong without greasing it up too. Stand it up. That is very difficult. Let's see. Alright, I thought about it, and I don't want to put anything major in there. I just want to get it slippery enough so it'll go down in there. So I'm going to use soap, that way water will eventually clean it off. Soap ain't gonna hurt nothing, but if I put oil there, it may stay, loose and continue to come off. I'm gonna try it with some soup. I'm gonna put it on the inside of the thing here and on the thing there. So hopefully this will work. Flip this guy back over. Ring ding dong, ring a ding 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 dong. And then all I need is a Phillip head driver to put the screws back in. And yeah, I know I've been all over the place in this video, but I just last minute said, hey, I'll shoot one since we're here. I need to move this over. Found my screws, got that one. Forgot. It's a star. Ryobi, yet again. You have to put some pressure on this guy to get him to sit down in there. But because I put myself through all that trouble, now I don't have to bother this screw on the inside here. You'll see what I mean. Again, that's the one I was talking about earlier, but it is a pain to put on there. We're tight there. Now we need to put this guy back on. Cord goes up underneath. Let's say you want a screw cap there. Okay. There goes underneath. That one. Go ahead and get this one to connect here. Be on like doggy time. I guess I can flip it over now. as you can see, that is all it is. To replacing that and, you know, being in a much better place with your machine, because that is now rubber. It ain't going nowhere. As you can see, that's tight on there. Everything looks good. We are all set. So like I say, I know I was all over the place, but you get the point. You order you one of those, and what it's called, I'll put it in the description because I can't remember right now, but go on Amazon, I'll put the link there, and get you one of those. Throw that plastic crap away and you should be good.